Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt that sharp ache in your knees? Or noticed that every step feels heavier than before, as if your legs have lost their strength? After 60, this isn't just a small discomfort, it's a signal. Weak legs and painful knees can slowly take away your freedom, make you hesitate before moving, and fill you with the fear of falling. But here's the truth. You don't need a gym, fancy machines, or complicated workouts. With just one sturdy chair and a few minutes a day, you can protect your knees, rebuild your strength, and move with confidence again. In this video, you'll discover 6 safe and effective chair exercises designed specifically for adults over 60. Each movement is simple, but together they bring back power, balance, and comfort to your legs. Let's begin with the first one, the seated knee extension. Sit tall in your chair with both feet flat on the ground. Slowly extend one leg forward until your knee is straight, pulling your toes gently back toward you. Hold this position for about 5 seconds, then lower your leg with control and switch sides. Aim for 10 repetitions per leg, resting briefly between rounds. It might look simple, but this small motion directly strengthens your quadriceps, the large muscles at the front of your thighs. When they're strong, they absorb most of the pressure your knees would normally carry. That means less pain when standing, more stability when walking, and the comfort of moving without hesitation. The key is slow, mindful movement. If you rush, the muscles never fully engage. Imagine your leg gliding through water, smooth, steady, controlled. With each repetition, your thighs begin to wake up again, learning to support your knees the way they were meant to. Now, we move to the soleus push-up. While still seated, keep both feet planted firmly on the floor. Slowly lift your heels, rising onto the balls of your feet, then lower them down gently. Repeat 15 to 20 times, rest for half a minute, and perform 2 or 3 rounds. This exercise may appear small, but it targets a powerful muscle deep in your calf, the soleus. It supports balance, improves blood circulation, and eases the workload on your knees. Strong calves mean lighter steps and better endurance. Avoid bouncing too fast. That's momentum, not muscle work. Pause briefly at the top of each lift, then lower with control, as if resisting gravity. Over time, your legs will feel more energetic, more stable, and ready to carry you wherever you go. Next is the pillow squeeze. Sit upright and place a small pillow between your knees. Gently press your knees together. Hold for 5 seconds. Then release. Do 10 repetitions and repeat for 2 or 3 rounds. This one strengthens your inner thigh muscles, which play a key role in stabilizing your knees. When these muscles weaken, every step can throw your balance off. But when they're strong, your legs move in harmony, protecting your joints and keeping your stride steady. Don't rush the squeeze. Press gently, hold, breathe, and release with control. Keep your posture tall and your shoulders relaxed. You'll feel a firm, warm activation inside your thighs. A quiet reminder that your stabilizing muscles are waking up again. Now it's time for the seated high knee lift. Sit tall, hands at your sides, and slowly raise one knee as high as you comfortably can. Hold for a second, lower it, then switch sides. Do 10 to 15 lifts per leg, rest, and repeat. This movement strengthens your hip flexors, thighs, and core muscles all at once. These are the muscles that help you climb stairs, step up curbs, and walk confidently on uneven ground. The secret is to stay centered. Avoid leaning back or letting your feet drop heavily. Instead, imagine moving in slow motion, each lift smooth and controlled. With consistent practice, you'll notice that your steps become lighter, your hips move more freely, and even small actions like getting into bed or standing from the couch feel easier. Now we reach one of the most practical and empowering exercises, the sit to stand. Sit near the edge of your chair with your feet flat on the ground. Cross your arms over your chest, or keep your hands on the chair for safety. Press your feet firmly into the floor and stand up slowly, then lower yourself back down under full control. Repeat 8 to 12 times per set, 2 or 3 rounds total. This exercise directly trains the muscles that support you in daily life, your thighs, hips, and glutes. It's not just strength training, it's practicing independence. The smoother and stronger you become in this motion, the more you'll trust your legs again. Avoid falling back into the chair too quickly. Lower gently as though you were about to hover right above the seat before sitting down. If you must use your arms, that's okay, but let your legs do most of the work. With time, you'll rise smoothly and sit down with ease, knowing your legs can handle your weight effortlessly. Finally, the last movement, the seated hamstring stretch. Sit near the edge of your chair and stretch one leg straight out in front of you, heel resting on the floor. Keep your back tall and gently lean forward from your hips until you feel a comfortable stretch along the back of your thigh. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then switch legs. Repeat this stretch 3 times per side. Tight hamstrings are one of the biggest culprits behind knee pain. They pull on the joints and limit your flexibility. By lengthening them, you relieve that tension and allow your knees to move freely again. Keep your chest open, shoulders relaxed, and never bounce. Ease into the stretch and hold it steadily. This movement isn't just about loosening muscles. It's about giving your knees room to breathe, allowing every step to feel smoother and lighter. When combined, these 6 chair exercises create a complete system for restoring knee health and leg strength. They may look simple, but practiced regularly, they protect your joints, rebuild your stability, and give you back the freedom to move without fear. Remember, the secret isn't intensity, it's consistency. Just a few minutes each day can bring lasting change to your knees, your legs, and your confidence. If you found this video helpful, tap the like button, share it with a friend who could use these gentle exercises, and subscribe for more easy routines to keep your body strong after 60. And don't forget to tell us in the comments where you're watching from and how your knees feel after trying these movements. Your story might inspire someone else to start today.